So these were cinder blocks filled with concrete and rebar, which made it, I think, a very strong structure. But I'm wondering where the asbestos is. It's hard to conceive that there was a lot of asbestos in any of these properties. I mean, in any of these structures. Simply because I know asbestos, I know what it feels like, I know what it smells like, I know how the body reacts to it, and I think it's safe to say that the asbestos was more likely than not only found inside of that really the asbestos was the insulation, and not not inside the structure in this way. So I remember from the house that was over there at 210 South 7th that it was the insulation that was the problem and nothing else. So you see the walls here are brick, and it was the same thing with the walls over at the house over there. So as far as I'm concerned, this was not an asbestos risk of any sort. I think the paperwork will probably prove that the asbestos risk was minimal or negligible. So that's one issue that qualifies as a taking when the government claims it despite contrary evidence. That's not to say that the foundations might not have been problematic, but there was really nothing wrong with the water. In fact, that dry standpipe over there, it probably worked. So there was a lot of things here that did work, and of course some that did not. But that's not going to warrant all this activity. And not only that, but the way the city works is they take it and then they charge you for it. So the adjacent property, that other hotel over there, which was properly secured according to code, that's going to be how the Laos are going to pay for the bill. So pretty soon that bill